Hi guys. Oh god. I just want to give you an update. I am currently let me just check. I just woke up and it's like 8:36 in the morning. I'm having like spots around this area of my face. I don't know why. Probably hormones, but yeah. I'm 12 weeks and 4 days today, and today is the 6th of June 2024. And 2 days ago, my midwife rang at like 9 p.m. and then I missed it, so I rang her back at 10 o'clock. She answered and she wanted to get like my blood glucose tests, and she was saying that majority of it is high, like 7 out of 47 times my sugar went up after my lunch. So she decided to prescribe me metformin, and I had to take this twice a day with my meals in the morning and my dinner. So yeah, I guess I'm taking diabetic pills now, and diabetes is my new personality. So yeah, today's my first day of taking it. I am kind of sad that I'm taking diabetic pills. I didn't really want to take any pills, so I'm kind of sad, but you know what, I gotta do what I gotta do for my baby. It's a huge tablet, guys. She was very firm with me that I need to strictly have a schedule for my meals, so I'm gonna have to do that now, and I'll probably just try to avoid social gatherings where the time of the meals are off. So I'm sorry to my friends and families, especially the ones that don't know I'm pregnant yet and don't know that I have diabetes. This is what's happening. I have to avoid any gatherings that mealtime is gonna be really off. I gotta protect myself and my baby. I'm gonna start eating now. I'm not hungry at all, but I have to eat something because I've got two tummies in my tummy, and the little tummy is more important than my own tummy. Guys, I'm wrapping my wifey's birthday present. So she's gonna be 30 soon, but one of my gifts for her, me and Angelo's gift for her, is a spa day. And then I got her Lush baths, and I think she needs it para, you know, whenever she feels down or she needs to unwind. Lush is very good. And then I found this in one of the craft thingy. I don't know, I just got it. This is a box that consists of this. I have a yellow one as well. And then I got her a matching necklace with me as well. It looks like a Harry Potter necklace. I have one of this as well. It's really sparkly. I got her Kylie's new perfume, the Cosmic Kylie Jenner perfume. I don't know if she's gonna like it. Hopefully she does like it. So yeah. And I'm just gonna put it in this bag and wrap it with this color. So let's do it. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh, I love ribbons in gifts. So it made it more girlier. I love it.
Hello. Ito na naman tayo. We are on our way papuntang Belfast. Nag-break, nag-stop over lang kami para sa pagkain. Tsaka naiihi kanina si Buntis. Oh, ew, bloody.
So, nagtitest lang ako kasi lunchtime na.
Tapos ito kain namin. Anong binili mo? Bumili kami ng
5.4.
sausage, 5.4. Bumili kami ng sausage roll with sausage and hash browns. That's it. That's it for lunch. Lunch roll. Tapos meron pala siyang sandwich. Anong sandwich mo?
I have chicken and bacon sandwich.
Chicken and bacon sandwich. Holy
in a
shit.
whole meal bread. Kasi I have to watch what I'm eating. I'm not allowed to eat like bad carbs.
How can you eat what you eat if you don't see what you're eating? So you have to watch what you eat.
Yeah. I have to watch what I'm eating.
Oh, you have to be careful what you
I have
eat.
to be careful. So I have this. The only thing is wala akong masyadong salad. So for dinner, I have to eat a lot of salad. So yun na. Yun lang. Let's eat.
Berde naman yung utak ko eh. Kaya pwede mo akong kainin.
Yes. So guys, papunta kami ngayon ng Belfast. We're gonna go to the Titanic. Siguro kung maganda pa yung panahon, at the moment kasi sobrang ulan, tingnan nyo. The weather is really, really bad today. So, just very sad. But you know what? Rain or shine, gagala tayo, bro. Grabe, ang galing ko na mag one hand open. Let's go. It's raining! I didn't bring any umbrella.
Mag-lobster. Mag-service this.
Yung mga soup ba daw, te?
So guys, yung ordering system nila is meron siya lang special menu. Nagulat ako kasi akala ko mamimili lang ako kung mamimili lang ako which one yung orderin ko, like vegetable ba, isa lang dito, yun pala, you get the whole 6. Naloka ako kasi hindi ko kayo ubusin. So ang gagawin namin is mag-order siya from the special menu tapos mag-share na lang kami guys. Kasi I really can't. Hindi ko pwede kainin lahat yan. Wala na akong liit. Guys, ang first nila na appetizer namin is miso soup. Parang lasang garlic.
Tato siya.
No. Anong sabaw ng isda ba to?
Parang.
Alam na nga, hindi ako pwede mo na pang matamis.
Ano pwede?
Hindi ako pwede matamis, tapos ang bakit ang matamis.
Dumplings,
Gyoza.
gyoza, and then
This is dumpling gyoza.
tignan ko na lang
Gyoza
sa...
dumpling. Sa akin yan eh.
Uy, sabi ko share tayo.
Puro fry.
Kawawa naman po ano. Tingnan mo, parang may pating na kumain ng tao. Let there be fire!
Wow! Parang...
Ready, 3, 2, fire!
Wow! Nakakapikin talaga.
As ko nga yung sushi, mahal pala ako.
Masarap.
Sip lang.
Hey!
Ang galing.
Pupunta ng card.
Nag-order ba tayo ng egg?
Parang sa charger.
Wow! Yan yung order namin. Of course. We're gonna play a game and we have to catch the egg in the map.
Ready, eh? Ready, 3, 2, go!
Huwag kang magpo-force ah.
Okay, ready, 3, 2, go! Ready, 3, 2, go!
Wow! Ito yung kamay ko.
Ano isa?
Sirloin, sa'yo yan.
Tenderloin.
Ba't may pasta?
Oh my God! Na-excite ako. Chip na ito, chip.
Wala ko siyang pas. Sarap pa ulit. Sa?
Grabe, alam nyo naman. Parang hindi mo masama ko na. Hindi ka na naging.
Dito kami ngayon sa dome. Yun yung view. Yan yung view.
Pangit naman.
Yung view sa dome. Ano ba itong view na to? Nakakangan niya yung view ko. Umuuyog yung floor.
Maumuuyog ma.
Kaya nga.
Busog yung ano ni Angki oh. Yung buhaya. Ikaw, busog.
Guys, nakauwi na kami and hindi ko na na-vlog kung ano pa yung mga the rest ng mga nagawa namin doon, but we did visit the City Hall and then
umuwi kami and kumain kami ng Shanghai na ginawa ni Ate Linda and also ate like noodles na ang sarap. And we just chatted for a bit and then we went home because we're very, very tired. And now, we're going to sleep. So, it was a great, great day. Very nice experience. Hopefully, Ate Linda and Tito Alberto also enjoyed. So, see you in the next vlog. Good night!